why every time I start recording, it's some type of siren or something going on. I try not to think bad about it because I'm like, they're here saving lives, but it's every time I start recording. But basically, hey y'all, I am about to go to tjmaxx to buy me a bag. I wanted to try this trend where you charm out your bag. Most videos I've seen, they do like a Coach bag or like a really expensive bag. I'm the type of girl who just want to get a bag from tjmaxx, Marshalls, or Ross. I'm gonna start with tjmaxx to see what they have. They also have a Ross in that shopping center, so that would be my second option, but hopefully we find a bag at tjmaxx. I'm also gonna look at Michael's to see what type of charms they have. I grabbed this is a charm that I got off of a skirt, and it just didn't go good on the skirt. I didn't like it on the skirt, so I took it off and I saved it because I said I can use this one day. Sure enough, I'm using it for this video. Hopefully I find a bag where I can use this and add charms to it, but if not, we'll just see what Michael's has. As far as charms, I might get a gold one. I guess it depends on the bag and the charms that I choose. So yeah, this is the bag that I currently have. I've been wearing this for like a year. It's like the Steve Madden bag that I got from tjmaxx, and it's still holding up strong and I like it. So I'm gonna use that bag till it rips, but in the meantime we're gonna find her a backup so I don't keep like using the same bag over and over again. So tjmaxx actually ended up being a really good jackpot for some cute and unique type of bags. I was so indecisive, but I ultimately went for this type of crossbody sack type of style bag that I'll show you here in a minute. So definitely check them out before you spend a ton of money on your purses. Hey y'all, I really need to get a stand for my phone because it just is so hard to film in my car. But I got a bag. I'll show y'all a better view when I get home. This is the bag. I really like the thick straps and everything. And this bag was $59.99, $60, but it compares at $100. And the brand is Adorned New York. Yeah, I'm super excited about the bag. I'm about to head to Michael's so I can find some charms. So I wanted to start off with the base of the charm. So I looked at these pretty beads as well as some chain, and then I went on to select the actual charms that I wanted to use. They had lots of options, but I'll give you a haul of what I got. Hey y'all, I'm back home with the haul, and we just gonna pretend like this video is not 2 weeks from the last clip. I just been busy and haven't had time to film this, and I've been wanting to wear this purse so bad, but I've been waiting so I can do this whole haul and, you know, do my charms and stuff on camera. I think in the previous clip I end up showing y'all the bag that I got. But yes, starting off, we just got a long chain. This is 7 yards of gold chain. Yeah, this 7 yards was only $10. I got this really cute chain in a whole bunch of different colors, which made me think that I need to also get hearts with a whole bunch of different colors on it as well. So they kind of go together very, very well. I love cherries and strawberries, so I got these as well, these little charms. I don't really like the lemon and the banana, but my daughter says she wants them, so I'm gonna make her a cute little necklace with those two on it. And then I got this heart with a whole bunch of crystals inside, and I thought it would tie together with the multicolored hearts. Lastly, I got these green beads, which are really cute. I've really been into green lately. Like, green has been catching my eye, so got these green beads. This is my birthstone. It's like an emerald green, so I thought that would tie together very well. And then lastly, I just got some clasps. Can I say that right? Clasps. I'm so excited to do this project. I've been waiting to do it on camera, so let's go ahead and jump right into that part of the video. This bag was a little bit slouchy, so I decided to put a pillow in it to kind of keep it firm. When it slouches and I try to put the charms on, you can't really see how it's going to turn out, so that's why I decided to use the pillow to make it more full. You're definitely going to need like some jewelry making tools. I got these from Michael's like a long time ago. It's just going to help us to open up the, you know, the little links, and connect it to our clasps. I don't know why I have trouble saying that, but my vision is to drape this gold chain across and then have a little bit extra hanging down for just a cute effect. Next, I actually want to attach that multicolor gold chain to the big gold chain that we just attached. One end of the multicolor gold chain already had a clasp on it, so I just had to open up the other end of the link and attach it onto the base of that original gold chain. I believe this set of multicolor hearts is going to go so well with the multicolor gold chain, so I'm going to attach them in a pattern that I think looks cute. This charm and chain combo came out exactly how I envisioned. I love all the different colors and I just think it's so cute. I decided to add the cherries, the strawberry, my emerald crystal, as well as 2 extra leftover hearts right above it, and the layering also looked really cute. I attached the beads on with like this clear string, and I used like some extra clasps at the end, tied the string on that, then threaded the beads on and added a clasp on the other end as well. I think the beads add such a nice touch, and you can switch these out. Like if you want different color beads, they're really easy to make and switch out. But overall, this bag came out just how I imagined. I added a little holder for my hand sanitizer, and I added that heart charm with all the crystals in it on the side. Just because I felt like it was too big to add in the middle, but it's so cute, and I love how you can personalize these purses with charms. I really hope you like how it turned out, and leave me a comment letting me know if you try this and how your bag turned out. Thank y'all so much for watching this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel, and I'll see you in my next video.